So we did it during the CONCACAF Gold Cup a few weeks ago. And here we go again. After Jamaica's opening encounter against France, we're still questioning that ugly brown color worn by the Jamaican team. On the biggest possible stage, nothing close to Jamaican national colors, not a single iota of black, green or gold. And there was no clash of colors. This was not a must-wear away kit. It was the first game of the tournament in front of a worldwide audience. And we swapped our bright, effervescent black, gold and green for that dull, boring, ugly brown color. One of the time I watch a game, I say, I wish one of them team in Jamaica. What the heck is happening? Why are these non-Jamaican colors being forced onto the national football teams and by extension, being forced on the people of Jamaica? Someone needs to explain. Was there some kind of commitment made with the signing of that Adidas contract? Whatever it is, I don't know about nobody else, but me personally, and this is just the Maverick personally, me don't like it. Me don't like it.